Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Google Drive app or the Google Forms site in your phone browser. Tap the plus new button or the Forms template to start a blank form. Give the form a clear title and short description so respondents know purpose. Once done, add your first question. Choose question type, enter text, and mark required if needed. Make sure to set form locale and response settings before adding many questions to avoid rework. Continue building by selecting question types that fit your data. Multiple choice for single answers, checkbox for multiple selections, short answer for text. Tap the three-dot menu to add section breaks so respondents see logical groups. This also enables conditional branching. Use response validation to enforce formats like numbers or email. Once done with a block, preview the section to confirm flow and wording. If branching is used, make sure finish by previewing the full form and submitting a test response to catch typos or logic errors. Then open settings to control who can respond, enable email collection, and set response limits if needed. Share the form using the link, email invite, or generate a QR code for quick access. If respondents report issues, clear form cache, test on another device, and check permissions. If branching fails, verify each questions, go to section, assignment to fix flow problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.